Welcome to your second challenge in Adobe Premiere Pro. In this challenge here, you'll be recutting a movie or trailer to make it look like something opposite of it is. So you've got some examples here on YouTube. I'll make these links available within the description below. Examples include Willy Wonka recut to a horror trailer. The idea here is that you can practice your editing skills, both your audio, video, transitions, and effects in a self-contained 1 or 2 minute trailer. There are several ways that you can rip the videos. You can use some means such as KeepVid and other ones off the internet, or you can rip it through your media browser. My advice, the first step you need to do is rip parts of the movie that you'd like to use. And then once you've got those effects, then you can go through and you can then change it, cut it to make it look like what the opposite of it is. So for example, if you had Mrs. Doubtfire, you might cut it to look like a horror film using quick cuts. If you've got any questions, you can email me or you can look at my other YouTube videos. I'll put some useful links in the description below that you can use to help you get started on this. Otherwise, good luck.